Mary Bergin is to the whistle what maybe Paddy O'Brien or Joe Burke is to the accordion or Michael Coleman is to the fiddle. Mary Bergin is that same symbolic person when it comes to tying an instrument with the person who made it famous and who created a sound that nobody could touch. And that's Mary Bergin. She is without a doubt, till the end of days, she'll be the greatest whistle player on the planet.
I could probably speak on behalf of every whistle player in this country, in America, in England. At some stage of their life, they've listened to Mary Bergin because she's a huge influence. Her record and her playing has been, I'd say, influenced every whistle player in the country, you know.
Tá meas mór ara, tá meas ara mar cheoltar, tá meas ara mar bhúntar, agus tá meas ara mar chuine a chlach le chuile dúchlam a tháinig ina treo ina saol agus a háire na dúchlan sin.